So I'm going to go straight to it. And tip number one is really focus on what you can control. There is a video that I posted a while ago. I'll link it here, where I break down like the 3 spheres of control. This is a concept that Stephen Covey created in his book. And I really think that this is a good moment to remember, to remind ourselves of these comments. Basically, it's you cannot control whatever happens to the application once it's sent. Boom, it's sent, the paperwork's done, that's there. So, I mean, it makes no sense to keep wondering and worrying about that. So what can you control? You can control your attitude, you can control your focus, you can control your breathing, you can control your thoughts, even though some people think we can't. With the proper training and methodology, we actually can, or at least try better to do that.